channel, Beloved Beauty by Kim. This is just another video of mine doing a glamorous makeup. I'm applying a foundation on my client using a Estee Lauder foundation in a warmer shade. You can always comment below and ask me what shade I've used. Applying a NYX's orange sort of concealer to brighten up our eyes. Already concealed with a Pro Longwear by MAC. Moving to the brows, I'm just kind of brushing and making sort of exact shape like her. She got a beautiful thick arch sort of brows. Actually, she haven't threaded her brows. Can you believe it? Like, they are so clean. Yeah, she never ever threaded her brows or waxed her brows. So yeah, I'm just sort of cleaning her brows, and by using the same Aligo Pro concealer. I use this tool just for clear up the edges. If there is any errors, I just use this one. It's pretty handy and it's amazing, lovely cleaning. But I never actually apply on my client's look though. I found this a little bit crazy, so I don't want for my clients, to be honest. I have used the Masquerade palette by Juhiva Police, and this is the color I'm using. I'm using a peachy sort of shade. It's amazing palette. As you can see, I've used all of the bright colors. So the theme was basically she was wearing a purple sari and her evening dress was blue, so it was a combination. So I made purple, blue and a little bit of gold at the inner corner. It looks so nice because obviously Indian dresses or anything, they have a lot of gold in it, but it's not like a 24 karat gold. It was more like a subtle sort of gold. Yeah. So I made a crease for her. So basically I'm taking the darker shade and I'm putting on in the inner wards of the outer corner of her eyes, and I'm just sort of blending in, and I'm not going outwards, I'm going inwards, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, making the crease and I'm sort of blending again. And I'm doing the same sort of thing on the other eye. I love blending, so this is what I'm doing. And it's not only that, I want to make sure that it still looks smoky, because I don't want to just put purple or blue and then without making smoky. Yeah, the camera is doing a beautiful justice, to be honest. Like, look at the brightness and it's just showing so clean. I'm not a professional videographer, just putting my camera on a tripod and just making the video. Grab another shade, and I'm now grabbing a purple color, and I'm grabbing a little not huge on my brush, just tiny little pinch on my brush, and now I'm spreading. And I've realized it's too less, so then I put my Duroline on my brush, on my Zuhiva's blending brush, and then I'm sort of blending the purple shade so it looks nice. So pale, before the purple looks obviously smoky and I could have leave like that. My client isn't very demanding, as I know, and as she is a great woman, but when I give her something so dramatic, so intense, so she loves herself. I've grabbed another layer of the purple, and I'm just applying on her outer corners. I'm not even going in the middle, just outer corners, and that will do the job. Looks nice and clean. and now I'm blending with the same purplish reddish sort of shade, and I'm blending the outer corners. Grab the LA Pro concealer and cutting the crease, and I'm not cutting, I'm just cutting the inner corners. So I'm just applying the same concealer by LA Girl. Tapped glitter on the top where I put the concealer on. It's by Stila. It's in a gold shade. Magnificent glitters. They're absolutely favorite of mine. This sort of glitter is you don't need a glove with, but it comes in a very small quantity, which is just make me a little bit upset. But it has a great pigment, no fall off, absolutely amazing and stunning. Looks stunning on my eyes. I grab another blue shade from the same palette, and I just applied so it not looking sharp where I applied the glitter. So just to give her purplish blue blended sort of effect. Just cleaning the eyebrows by using Mary Luminizer by Balm Cosmetics. Applying 1 quart of mascara. I just don't apply too much mascara, especially when I know I'm gonna put the lashes on. Using the normal lashes by Allure. They are just normal dramatic lashes. I don't think they're mink lashes, but they are very nice. No, actually they are mink. Yes, they are mink. They are mink lashes. Applied a beautiful straight, beautiful little, not a small wing, but just a nice precise liner in a shade black. It's just so, and it's very affordable. It's from drugstore by Maybelline. It's like a sketch pen eyeliner. Bronzer, moving to the bronzer. Normally use Hoola, but Hoola wasn't working for her skin, so grab another bronzer by Earth Cosmetics, and this is amazing. I'm not doing crazy, just giving her just appearance that yes, she has a bronzer on, and yes, her skin looks sun-kissed. Yeah, so just applying on her cheek area, edges of the forehead, edges of the chin. That's it, nothing crazy, no cream contours or anything, just contouring a bit of nose as well. Yeah. Blush, love this blush by Inglot. Inglot blush is actually very nice and luminous. I love it. And they got a bit of shimmer in it as well, so it's very subtle sort of shimmer. She's really liking herself. As you can see, she's so happy. She's watching herself in the camera. This is what I did, is just clean, and this is the side appearance. Using a highlighter by Becca, shade Opal, I think. Nice one, but I wish if the camera picks a little bit, but you all know this is a very beautiful highlighter. Lip liner by Gerard Cosmetic in a shade maroonish red. It's so nice, very pigmented, very creamy. Yeah, it's best for the clients, to be honest. Making her sort of shave, nothing going crazy or anything. Then after that I'll be topping lipstick by Life Glam. It's a monthly subscription, and I buy from America. I think every person do ask me. They are liquid lipstick, but they turn into matte, but they are so versatile, very creamy, very pigmented. If anyone needs to know, just comment me below. I can let you know all of the information, and you can get a one first free lipstick. And that's the final look. I hope you like it. This is my second video. Just support me, share my video, and yeah, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.